Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change team in franchise mode in Madden 27. It's pretty easy. All you have to do, select the options tab. Right here you have two options. The first one is through demand release. Like this option will allow you to leave the current team and get picked up by another one that you like. Then the second option you have, which many people use, is to simply retire the current coach. So select retire. Here we need to select the option create a new character. Now here simply select yes, cause we're gonna retire the current coach and gonna proceed with the new one, cause this option will allow us to change the team. So simply choose the team you like. I'm gonna proceed with, I guess, this one, New York Giants. Then you can choose the coach type. Next you can also enter the first name, last name of the coach. Then you can change the apparel like head, physique, all that jazz. You can also change the apparel. So it is up to you, whatever changes you want to make for your coach, you can simply do that. Once you're done, simply select the option save and exit. And now right here we just need to simply select the option start playing. And yeah, you can see we have successfully changed the team in franchise mode in Madden 27. Hope this would help you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.